We're going to go over a couple of massage techniques that we normally would use. So in a normal scenario, effleurage goes great with the application of oil. And in terms of sports massage pre and post event, most likely pre-event we will not be doing effleurage where we are applying oil. And for post, it's a possibility. We're just trying to utilize that to help bring the blood flow and help them recover. So we normally in effleurage, we are pushing, gliding the muscle distally to proximal to help blood return. And then the next technique that we'll use is petrissage. Normally, this is not a technique we will use in sports massage neither, where it's kneading. This technique is good for if we need to target a specific muscle. Another technique that we use in sports massage is tapotement, where we just utilize a cup shape to tap a little fist, very soft fist. This is great to kind of get the muscles going, a little rhythmic movement. This is actually a great implementation utilizing a massage gun because it acts as vibration and tapotement. For warm-ups, that is one of the better tools to use, and we don't really have to go crazy with it. Just go all through parts by parts. So usually I go from distal to proximal, forearms, a little bit of biceps to deltoids, and for legs, a little bit on the calves and a little bit on the thighs, and you can utilize the massage gun on the hamstrings as well as the hips. Nothing super crazy. 30 seconds to 45 seconds if we are applying the treatment with a massage gun. Another technique that we'll use in sports massage is shaking. That's just to kind of help loosen up the joints. It is very good to complement with a little bit of jostling, a little bit of shear shaking. Another massage technique that we can use is skin rolling, but this is not so much in a sports massage. That is more used for a fascial release. So pretty much in terms of how I would approach a sports massage in a pre-event, it's a lot of compression, going distal to proximal, a little bit of a different variation where we pin down and roll, so it's more of a pin and stretch. Another thing we utilize quite a bit is shaking, traction, also a little bit of jostling.